Po. Mayor, bakit po ninyo pinaaprubahan sa council yung dokumento po ng mga ng Pogo, walang letter of intent, walang DTI, wala lahat, pero naaprubahan po?
Your Honor, for that question po, I invoke my right against self-incrimination. May na-file na po sa akin na ombudsman po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair,
you
yun
po.
lang po.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Kong Hoon. Yes, Congressman Jong.
Yes, Mr. Chair, if there are no other interpellations, I'd like to ask just two simple questions to
Okay,
NBI.
please make it short.
Yes, thank you.
The
NBI.
SDS has a manifestation to make, so please.
Okay. I'd like to ask, Mr. Chair, I'd like to address these questions to NBI. NBI po, yes. But I got curious po. A couple of days ago, there was a news that came out of the body double of Mayor Alice Guo. I'd just like to know what's actually the relevance of catching this body double of Mayor Alice Guo insofar as your investigation is concerned.
Mr. Chair, good evening again. With regards po dito sa sinasabi nating mga body double, no? There was a time na nung hindi pa po natin nalalaman na siya ay nasa ibang bansa, ay nabalita po na nakikita siya sa iba't ibang lugar, no? So, sa pag-iimbestiga po natin, ay may mga natuklasan tayo na meron siyang mga empleyado na hawig sa kanya. At posible, ito ay maaaring isang taktika para ilihis o ilinlang yung mga taong sumusubaybay para po ma-serve doon ang warrant of arrest ng contempt ng Senado po.
So,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair. So, ibig sabihin po, parang decoy siya.
Parang ganun po ang lumalabas, Mr. Chair.
How many body doubles do we probably see? Isa lang po or mga decoys? Isa lang, dalawa, tatlo?
Sa amin pong pagsubaybay, isa lang po yung napansin namin, Mr. Chair.
So ito po ay ginawa deliberately to ilihis yung investigation ninyo? Was there any deliberate, in your investigation, was this done deliberately or in connivance with Miss Alice Go? With the, of course, with the permission of that particular person having to pose as Miss Alice Go?
Wala naman po kaming nakuhang ganong testimonya. Ito lang po ay isang anggulo na aming tiningnan. In fact, ang nasa pina na po natin at humarap na rin po sa NBI, yung pong sinasabi natin na kahawig niya at nagbigay na rin po ng testimonya sa NBI, Mr. Chair.
Okay.